Hey everyone, and welcome to Reading Readiness Centers. Today, we are diving into the world of motion and forces. Buckle up, because we are about to explore how everything around us moves and why. Have you ever wondered why a soccer ball rolls when you kick it? Or how a rocket zooms skyward? It all has to do with something called motion. Motion is simply anything that changes position over time. Like right now, if you're waving your hand is in motion. But there's more than one kind of motion. Straight motion. You're riding a bike on a straight path, just like a car zooming down a highway. Circular motion. Remember that merry-go-round you rode at the park? Spinning around and around is circular motion. Back and forth motion. Swings go back and forth. Just like your heart beats. That's another type of motion. But what makes things move? The answer is forces. A force is like an invisible push, or a pull that acts on an object. Imagine pushing a toy car, or pulling a rope. That's a force in action. Let's see how forces work in our everyday lives. There are many different forces around us, like push and pull. These are the simplest forces. You push open a door. You pull out a drawer. It's all thanks to push and pull. Gravity. This invisible force pulls everything towards the earth, even you and me. That's why things fall down when you drop them. Friction. This force slows things down when they rub against something else. Like when you slide on the playground, friction makes you stop eventually. Now, let's talk about Sir Isaac Newton. He was a brilliant scientist who discovered 3 laws of motion. The first law says that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion unless a force acts on it. The second law relates force, mass, and acceleration. The third law says that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Now, let's be scientists. Try these experiments. Grab a ball and roll it across the floor. What force made it move? That's right, push. Now, roll it on a rug. What happens? Friction slows it down, right? Build a simple ramp using books. And let the ball roll down. What force is at play now? Gravity pulls it down. Remember, the bigger the force, the faster something moves. So, if you push a ball really hard, it will roll much faster than if you give it a gentle nudge. So, there you have it. We learned about motion, different types of motion, and the amazing forces that make things move. Remember, everything around us is constantly on the move, thanks to these invisible forces. Did you enjoy learning about motion and forces? If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more science adventures.